Hi, I'm Slash Terry, the founder of Beauty Slash. Over the past 4 years, I have helped thousands of students just like you to get started and master the art of permanent makeup. My YouTube tutorials have been viewed over 4 million times, and on Instagram, I post daily PMU tips to more than 100,000 people who follow me. And today I want to invite you to join my free webinar where I will teach you my 6 secrets to consistently achieve superstar brows for your clients. You've likely invested in learning PMU techniques, but still struggle to consistently provide your clients with the high quality brows they deserve. Incorrect mapping for different skin types and clients will severely limit your ability to gain more clients and will make it impossible to increase your rates for each procedure, even if you have flawless PMU techniques. That's why I've created this free webinar. I want to teach you how to unlock the key to perfect brow mapping and elevate your skills to the next level. I want you to learn my exclusive techniques for creating superstar brows that will save your time, attract more clients, and boost your income. Say goodbye to trial and error and hello to happy clients and thriving business. Just fill your details on the sign-up form and you will be emailed a link to join the webinar today. You may be wondering what's the catch. I'm offering this webinar for free to give you valuable information and skills you can use immediately to improve your brow mapping for your clients. Even though the webinar is an hour long and packed with so much value, there's still more to learn to become a master at brow mapping. After the webinar, I'll make you an amazing offer for further learning opportunities. And don't worry, there's no obligation and it's only if you're interested. This is a 100 free offer with no commitment needed from you. And if for some reasons you don't love the webinar as much as thousands of other students who took it, there's no obligation and no hard feelings. You can exit the webinar anytime. So if you're ready to learn my 6 secrets that will take your brow mapping skills to superstar level, just sign up for the webinar and improve today.